Good night, guys. Good night, good night, good night. If it's one thing with me, you guys know I'm going to make it as real as possible. So I was there getting ready to go to my bed. It is now what? Tonight I'm filming. This is actually Friday, the 22nd. Yeah. Few days before Christmas. Most of the preparation in the house is finished. How about this? Stop me. Okay. Most of the preparation in the house is finished. But I did some come clean the kitchen and the bathroom last night. However, I did come home and feel lazy and go get ready to go to my bed. If you realize, headband on, in a little sleeping gear, ready to go to my bed. Now, mad spray take me. I just decide say, I go get the kitchen done with. I never did I go vlog it, but because I know some more keep on in the look and I'm not showing how I decorate and stuff. And I might see little pieces behind me, but that's the least.
Never up, never down, never. Like a flame in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
Stop worrying about worrying, we will keep turning. Doesn't matter what I do, trying to be open and keep my head up to words not spoken. Makes all the difference to me and you. Show you the place that I go to when all the lights are faded out. You're gonna see what I'm all about. All of the world mountaintop. I couldn't make it stop, even if I wanted to. This time I would go wherever you go. I would stop being a no-show. I know, never stop believing in you. No matter what I do, no. All of my life's been like a shotgun shot flying down in the dark. Never been aiming to be as the heart. I've stopped worrying about worrying. We will keep turning. Doesn't matter what I do. I do. This time I would go wherever you go. I would stop being a no-show. I know, no. This time I would go wherever you go. I would stop being a no-show. I know, never stop believing in you. No matter what I do, never stop believing in you.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.